Hi, I'm Chef Ivan and I have a great alternative for those fried spring rolls. They're fresh shrimp rolls. Kind of like your regular little egg rolls, but they're actually not fried. Trick to it all? It's rice paper, made from rice flour. You're gonna put it into hot water, as hot as your hand can stand. What you're basically doing here is just hydrating the paper itself. You can actually feel how it starts to soften up and it starts to become really pliable from the hard shell you had before. It becomes this soft wrapper. You're gonna lay it down. It's really about feeling it out. Once it feels soft enough, put it down, spread it. This is the fun part because you can really use any ingredients that you want. Don't stick to the shrimp itself. It's something that's fresh. If you like salads, put little salad inside of it. I decided to go for a little bit of shrimp. You can make them small if you're having a little party, or you can make them big if you actually want to eat them as a meal. After you have your shrimp down, get some shredded carrots. You're gonna get some nice little cucumber sticks. It's gonna add a nice little touch of freshness and crunch. Now put a little bit of guacamole inside of a Ziploc bag to make it makeshift little pastry bag. I'm gonna just cut the corner. There we go. Not too big, just a little bit. This technique works great if you have frosting or if you have anything that you need piped on a little fresh mint. Now for the wrapping job. You're basically making a burrito. Same style, same technique. You take one side, you're gonna fold it over. Take the other side, you're gonna fold it over. Come from the back, over the top, apply a little pressure, and voila. Make them tonight, serve them tomorrow. You can even bring them to like school or work. They're a great alternative and a fresh, healthy snack.